Okay, these just came out of the freezer, and you can see that you'll know it's done because it's actually starting to pull away from the plastic. Like so. Okay, so that's how that comes out. Then this one, this is the seashell molds. What you do is, it's best if you leave this out of the freezer for a few minutes, let it come back to room temperature because it's really cold right now. And these shells can actually snap since the chocolate's so cold. Let me just pull one out and then I'll leave this and we'll decorate the cake and I'll come back and pull the other ones out. So I just pull like this and push on the other side with my finger and then they pop out like that. Okay, then the next thing is, see, because it was on the plastic, it just comes right off. Just go ahead and get that chocolate off. And then you usually have to, since some of the chocolate came out here at the bottom, you usually have to push it through. You know, you can't usually pull it this way. You usually have to hit it with the back of a paintbrush or something for it to come out the other way. See? And actually, most of the time wow, that worked really well. Most of the time the paper comes out with it, and then you just undo the paper. That's like the first time that the paper hasn't come out with it. I have a couple of luster dust. This one is called Spiced Pumpkin. It's an orange. And the other one is a luster dust also, and this one is called Raspberry. And I just wanted them to be bright colors. You can certainly go with more earthy tones. The Spiced Pumpkin, I just take that and I can rub it across. And then I'll take the raspberry on the same shell and go in between. Like so. And then you can actually take your finger and kind of go like this. And it makes them look a little bit more realistic. I wanted to make a little bit of a door form at the front of my castle. So I'm going to have to cut all the way down here just so I get a nice clean cut. And then probably about here. Whoops. There goes that piece. Try it again. There we go. So our sandcastle, we need some buttercream on top of the cake. Hopefully that shovel's not in the way, but like I said, we'll just move it if it is. No big deal. Put all this up here. See if we can pick this up without it breaking. And then I want to attach my door. Let's see. Oh, good. The chocolate's still here. We need to put some sand on the front of this. So we'll just use the spoon, spread it out, rub it in the excess sand down here. Okay, and then we'll take some more chocolate and pop it on the back, and then bring it right up here for our front door. Yay! There we go. Hopefully that's in the middle because I can't see from there. Cool. All right, excellent. All right, now we need to take some sugar sand and go around there. You could, if you don't want all the sugar on the cake, you could certainly use like a graham cracker, fine graham crackers if you prefer.